Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to share a contact in Line app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Line application. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially you'll be in the home interface. So what you have to do is first of all go to the chats interface, tap on the chats option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be able to see all your chats over here. Tap on the chat in which you want to share the contact. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. At bottom you'll be able to see the message bar over here. Along with it you'll be able to find various icons. What you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to share the files, contact, location. You'll also able to keep the memo, poll, schedule, ladder shuffle, etc. Simply tap on the second option, that is contact. Now you'll be able to share the contact. You'll be able to find two options over here: line friend, device contact. So if you want to share the device contact, you can tap on this option, device contact. If you want to share the line friend, simply tap on the option line friend. Here I'm just going to tap on the option line friend. Now you can see over here you'll be able to choose the friend that you want to share. Simply tap on the friend that you want to share. Now the share button will be activated at the top right corner. Simply tap on the option share. Now you can see over here that particular contact will be shared. If they tap on the option view profile, they'll be able to view the profile of that particular contact. So like this, you'll be able to share the contact. So that is how you share contact on Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.